Hey, welcome. This is me. This is Don Kryptonium. And today is the special video because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to become stronger, better, and wiser. But remember, there's no shortcuts. You must obliterate the like button. And today, I'm going to show you the Calc Finance, the application that allow you dollar cost averaging. What it means, allow you to get the good deal. Okay, when the price is lower, you buy more. When the price is higher, you buy less. So with that, overall, maybe you get in better entry point than if you just FOMO right now. But remember, as we talk finance, this is not any like financial advice to buy any tokens. It's just showing you how to do the things better. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to launch the application, and the application is available on two blockchains, on the Kujira blockchain and on Osmosis. Initially, this application started on Kujira, then also went on Osmosis, deeper liquidity. So if I would say if you buy the big assets with deep liquidity like Atom, check where you have the better deal. In case of the smaller assets, quite likely there might be no liquidity on Kujira, so then you will get better deal on Osmosis. And I'm buying such small asset because I'm going to buy Stargaze tokens. There is some liquidity on Kujira, but maybe still not too deep. So just in case, I'm doing this on Osmosis blockchain. So as I enter Calc strategy, you see it's adjusted for the Osmosis. It has this Wasmongton. So I'm going to create a strategy, and we have few different strategies. You see, I narrowed this page, so this have different layout. But if you go with full page, it also will have different layout, and also different if you're on the mobile. So we have few strategies, and there are strategies in and strategies out, which is really clever, you know, because you can hedge against yourself. When you do the dollar cost averaging, buying, you buy more when price is lower, but you also can sell when the price is higher. And with that, you can sometimes squeeze few pennies. That's how they say it in United Kingdom. They would say cents in America. So we have standard, the DCA. The standard DCA is you buy daily. Okay, you set up at noon every single day. I will buy $10 of atoms. Example, or Kujira, or Osmo, or stars, whatever. Right? And it will give you the same every day, or every hour, or every minute because you choose the strategy. The algorithm for the large assets will algorithmically, I guess, I'm exploring this app, buying at the certain time for you regarding the price. And the best one is probably weighted scale in, what we are going to focus, right? And you can also do weighted scale out to average out of that asset and possibly make the good decision. So let's get started here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose the asset I'm purchasing with. So in this case, I'm using USDC, right? So these are the stable assets on Osmosis that we have available. And if I would go to Kujira, I would have USK and USDC as well, right? The assets that are available on Kujira. I'm going with USDC because it also have the deepest liquidity and probably is the safest. So I'm going to start my strategy with $500, okay? And then I'm going to choose the asset, which is stars tokens. So I'm going to average my stars tokens. I work for Stargaze. Obviously, I will spike in the Stargaze token here. So next, I choose the asset. So 500 USDC. And I will do it once daily in this strategy. Set your base USDC swap amount. So this is what I didn't read and did the first time. I choose the whole amount. So what I'm going to do, this will be $5. And $5 every day, that would be over 100 days, okay? So if you do $1, the strategy would go for 500 days. If I go $10, the strategy will go for 50 days. So let's go with $10, and we then, after 50 days, will see the results. Then we have the swap multiplier, right? So how much money you will use in the swap at the different price. And I think delta 1 is just okay. So at the current price right now, that would be with no price change, I would spend $10 for the buy. But if the price go down, I spend more to purchase stars tokens. So if the price go down to half of a cent, as you can see, I would use $15 to swap. But if price go up, if the price go up to 1.6 cent, I spent only $5 to buy it. So you hopefully with that getting the better price. Okay, when we go with advanced settings, you have some other options. So start the strategy immediately. Yes, after I set it, I start immediately. Apply multiplier to both price increases and decreases. You see, if we go no, you can see as the price go up, I spend the same amount, but I will buy more if the price go down. So I want the same multiplier, so I will buy less as the price go down, and my buys will increase if the price go down. Set base price to current price. So if you don't want to start with this current price, you can set the base price. So I could say like, hey, I want to start buying at this price, okay? But I will start with the base price because it's too complicated, right? It's DCA, so why would I think here? And the price ceiling, no. So on the bottom we can set up the slippage. I have a 2%, but you need to know, look, I'm swapping $10 daily. There will not be slippage, so this is the safety, okay? So this is set up. Let's go next. And they also have a few options. So first, we can send the funds to my wallet. So what will happen? If the swaps happen, I will have the stars tokens on my Osmosis address because I'm using Osmosis strategy, okay? We can also reinvest, which is not really good for this strategy because I'm buying stars. But imagine you use the wait out strategy. And imagine in the wait out strategy, I'm selling Atom, okay, every day for USDC. I can then set automatically the strategy where USDC go to my buying stars strategy, right? If you want to swap your tokens, that's how it would work. And we have two that are not available that you will be able to stake soon. As you buy it, will go to staking and also generate yield. Which is interesting, what it's going to be. So I'm going to send, and let's see what it shows to. It shows me a fee. So the fee seems to be around 1%. So as I swap $10, it will cost me 10 cents for a swap. Of course, if the swap will be $15, it will probably cost me 15 cents for a swap. So roughly 1%. I wish it would be lower. 1%, for the especially small strategy might be substantial, but it still might be better than buying by yourself, and we'll see at the end. So let's confirm. And now as the swap happens, let's approve this and see how the money is being made. Right? Not money, stars tokens, okay? So I want stars tokens. As I make some stars every day, 500 stars every day, right? 1,000 stars. I then move my 1,000 stars, buy the NFTs, speculative investment, perpetual money making. I saved 500 minutes because that's how it takes 10 minutes to swap because you're thinking. But now I have 500 minutes of extra life and of course no emotions. Nothing. Not losing a single additional hair from my head. Soon it all grow back here. Beautiful hairline, younger 5 years, no stress, more money in the bank account. That's how you do it. So let's see the strategy details. So you have everything here. current amount in the wallet is around this, because already the first swap occurred. And interesting, I told you 10 cents for the swap. It's less. It's actually, I paid like 3 cents, I think, for this first swap. At least like I have this amount in the wallet, unless I spend a little less already. Okay, so the strategy is active. You see the breakdown here, and the delta, with the delta, when you set up, it can be more aggressive. So I can buy way less as the price go up and way more as the price go down. But I think delta 1 was okay. So this is the market value of what I spent. Sorry, I think I actually paid 10 cents for the... So this is the total swapped. So you see, I probably paid around 10 cents for transactions, and this was the average cost because I'm already have the first. So in like 50 days or in a month, I will have really nice view of what average price I paid over here. And next time I'm going to show you to this strategy, because I don't want this video to be too long, okay? I'm going to show you the same strategy with the same token. But what we are going to do, I'm going to create strategy and I'm going to scale out, right? And I will do this strategy with stars tokens because that's the best leverage. So I'd be selling more if the price go up and selling less if they go down. So as you know, if I buy more as the price go down and less as the price go up, I should be able to squeeze some extra dollar. And with that, Don Kryptoniums out. I'm waiting for the Calc Finance to be available on more blockchain. I'm expecting Calc Finance to get more widely adopted because this is no-brainer how you should buy your crypto. Why would you stress out when you can use Calc Finance? And remember, I know this video looks like paid shill, but I guarantee you I was not paid a single dollar, not even a cent. I did this video out of pure love. With that, Don Kryptoniums out. Till the next time.